Hi, welcome. In the previous video, we discussed about controlling a stage process. In this video, let us look at managing a product delivery process. The purpose of managing product delivery process is to control the link between project manager and the team member by agreeing the requirements for acceptance, execution and delivery. The objective of managing product delivery process is to ensure work on products allocated to the team are authorized and agreed. The team is clear about what has to be produced and understands the effort, time and cost. The planned products are delivered to the expectations and within tolerance. Accurate progress information is provided to the project manager at an agreed frequency. Managing product delivery process views project from the team manager's perspective. Team manager ensures products are created and delivered by accepting the work package after checking, ensuring interfaces identified in work package are maintained, creating a team plan, creating products in accordance with the development methods specified, meeting quality criteria, obtaining approvals for completed products, delivering the products to project manager in accordance with procedures given in the work package. The three main activities of managing product delivery process are accept a work package, execute a work package and deliver a work package. To summarize, in this video, we discussed the purpose, objective, context and activities of managing product delivery process. In the next video, let us look at managing stage boundary process.